Welcome back Car Review everyone. Today we're taking a look at something absolutely extraordinary. The Lamborghini Motorhome 2026, a vehicle that completely redefines what it means to travel in luxury. Imagine the power, prestige, and design of a Lamborghini supercar transformed into a futuristic, high-tech mansion on wheels. This machine is not just transportation, it's a statement of power, innovation, and exclusivity on a level we've never seen before. Starting with the exterior, the Lamborghini Motorhome 2026 looks like it's been pulled straight from a sci-fi movie. The design is aggressive and bold, with Lamborghini's signature sharp edges, angular panels, and low aerodynamic stance, but scaled up to colossal proportions. The massive six-wheel configuration immediately grabs attention, not just for its size but for how elegantly it integrates performance aesthetics into a luxury motorhome body. The front end is dominated by a huge glass windshield that seamlessly curves into the body, providing both futuristic styling and panoramic visibility. LED lighting lines flow across the body, from the headlights to the side panels, creating a dramatic presence at night. The Lamborghini logo sits proudly on the sides, outlined in gold, making sure no one mistakes this for anything ordinary. Even the tires are customized with Lamborghini branding, built for stability and performance. The matte black finish, combined with subtle gold accents, gives it a stealthy, menacing look that commands attention wherever it goes. Moving inside, the Lamborghini Motorhome 2026 takes luxury to an entirely new level. As the automatic door glides open, the cabin welcomes you into a world of refinement and advanced technology. The interior is a perfect blend of Lamborghini's performance DNA and ultra-luxury living. Premium materials like Alcantara leather, brushed aluminum, carbon fiber, and ambient LED lighting create a sophisticated yet futuristic environment. The driver's cockpit feels like you're piloting a spaceship, with a fully digital holographic dashboard, gesture-based controls, and AI-assisted navigation. Every control is touchless, intuitive, and seamlessly connected to Lamborghini's smart vehicle ecosystem. Behind the driver's area lies the main living space, designed to make long journeys feel like a stay in a private luxury suite. The lounge area features reclining leather chairs, a 3D entertainment system, and retractable OLED panels that double as windows or TV screens. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped with smart appliances, including induction cooking, a voice-activated coffee machine, and a hidden refrigerator that blends into the cabinetry. The bedroom offers a large memory foam bed, soft lighting, and a smart wall that displays scenic visuals or entertainment content. Even the bathroom is built with Lamborghini's luxury touch, rainfall shower, heated flooring, and digital temperature controls. Every inch of the interior is crafted to deliver the ultimate combination of relaxation and innovation.